If your Chevy Traverse starts fine one day but leaves you stranded the next, we need to track down an intermittent failure. Statistically, over 60% of intermittent starting issues on these crossovers are caused by simple electrical connection failures. Before you start throwing expensive parts at the problem, let's go through a systematic diagnostic process. Start by checking your battery terminals for corrosion and ensuring your ground straps are making a clean metal-to-metal connection. A failing fuel pump relay can cause random no-starts. Try swapping it with the horn relay to see if the issue vanishes. If the car only refuses to start when the engine is hot, the starter motor might be suffering from internal heat soak. Distinguishing between a dead battery and a failing starter is easy if you pay attention to the clicking sound and dash lights. While a relay is a cheap $20 fix, a full fuel pump replacement can easily climb towards $700. If the basics look good, scan for hidden codes and try shifting into neutral to rule out the safety switch. You can handle most of this diagnosis yourself with a basic scanner and a simple digital multimeter. Remember, the key to solving an intermittent problem is documenting the exact conditions when the failure occurs. Check those connections first and you'll likely save a trip to the shop. Thanks for watching.